Beautiful Saturday. It's a gorgeous morning. Goldie and I are just getting the day started. She was in the window. Oh, there she is. She's right there. We're just getting the day started, and I wanted to show you around before I let you know where we're going. Well, let me just tell you, we're gonna go check out the world's smallest police station this morning. But let me show you where we camped out last night. That's where we came in, right there on that road. But this was the spot we stayed last night here in Florida. I don't really want to say the boat ramp name or where exactly I am. I don't want people using it and trashing it. It is a really nice spot. It was a beautiful sunset last night and a gorgeous sunrise this morning. It was so beautiful. But let's get going and go check out the world's smallest police station. Well, here it is, the world's smallest police station. Old phone booth. Kind of cool. Take a look inside, see what this all says here. Oh, that's interesting. Kind of cool. Well, that was fun to look at. Let's go check, see what else we can find around the area. It's a beautiful Sunday morning here in Florida. We are in Perry, Florida at the moment. Stayed at the Walmart last night in their parking lot so I could use their free Wi-Fi. But I need to go inside, get some dog food and a few other things, and then we're gonna get this day started. But we need to go inside, get some dog food and a couple other things, and then figure out what we're gonna do today. How do you like my shoes? Pretty fancy. There we go. Couple donuts on sale. Better get the dog some dog food. Holy buckets. Pick up a couple things at Walmart. The one bag and dog food, $35. Jesus. Let's go to the car. Get this stuff put away. Alright, I have things put away. Goldie, she's back there looking out the window. She was just eating, fed her. And what I'm going to do now, what I like to do on Sundays is find a church to go to. So I'm going to do some Googling, find a church to go to, and head to church. This is the First Assembly of God, and this is going to be the church we're going to check out today. When I'm out traveling around, I like checking out new churches if I'm out traveling on a weekend, especially on Sundays, Saturday evening, Sundays. And being we are in Perry, Florida right now, this is going to be the place we check out today. First Assembly of God. All right, just finished church here at the Assembly of God in Perry, Florida. Great church service. It was a nice Christmas program that they had a bunch of kids do. And if you're ever in Perry, Florida, and you're looking for a church to go to, I would highly recommend checking out the Assembly of God. Now let's get our day started and go find something to do. Well, we decided what we're gonna go do. Goldie and I are gonna go check out some free camping. I found a spot. It's by a creek. It's about an hour drive from where we're at here in Perry, Florida right now. So we're gonna head that direction, see what we find. Hopefully we find something good. Wish us luck. Well, Goldie and I made it to our next free camping spot. This is another boat ramp that we're gonna camp at, but we're parked over there, kind of in the shade. Nice free camping spot. Check out this boat dock, or the boat dock from where a hurricane came through. That thing is all screwed up yet. A lot of damage in this area where I'm at, but for a free camping spot, this is gonna work really good for Goldie and I.
I do think both teams are going to run the football a little bit more after committing. It's only averaging 205 yards passing in all 5 of those games and taking the ball away 7 times as well.
Visit Pentair.com to learn how. Pentair, the official sustainable water partner of the Minnesota Vikings.
Goldie and I went for a nice e-bike ride, didn't we? Yes, we did. It was a great time. Now we're just going to kind of enjoy the sunset. You can kind of see it coming through the palm trees there, or the trees. But we're going to enjoy this beautiful sunset tonight in this great little spot for camping out. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Seriously. That's so pretty. We're going to enjoy that and see what we get into tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow. Goldie and I decided to move camping spots. We're at a different one. We went a whole 3.7 miles down the road to find our new spot. So this is where we're going to hang out for the day. We're going to go on a little e-bike ride and just enjoy this beautiful area here in Florida where we're at. It's lovely. The best part is it's a free camping spot. We're out on our e-bike ride, and Goldie, she's just right up there, but I figured since we're going on a bike ride, might as well pick up garbage too. But holy buckets, we haven't went very far, and I just brought a grocery plastic bag, you know, you get when you go grocery shopping, and it's already halfway, 3/4 of the way full, and we've made it about 150 yards. It's shocking how big of pigs some people are and how careless they are. They should be ashamed of themselves. And if you're one of those persons, or one of them people that leaves their garbage, just throws it out the window, shame on you. Shame on you. You are a terrible person. But we're gonna keep going, picking up garbage today. Alright, let's go, Goldie. On to the next spot where we can find more garbage to pick up. Oh, right there. There's a beer can. Didn't even put my kickstand up. Come across a beer can right away. More garbage. Shame on you people. Finished our little e-bike ride that we went on and picked up a whole bag of garbage. Now I'm back at where we're going to be camping for the night. And there's all kinds of garbage around here too. These people in Florida ought to be just absolutely ashamed of themselves that they leave this stuff like that. And a lot of stuff I've been finding are hand warmers from the people that do hunting around here. So if you're a Florida hunter and use this spot and you know where I'm at, shame on you. Just made a sweet little sandwich to have lunch as we hang out and enjoy this area. Check this bad boy out. Decent little sandwich, a little bit of meat, tomato, lettuce, onion, cheese. Not too shabby if you ask me. I wish it wasn't so dang windy, but that's okay. We've got a beautiful area to hang out, and Goldie and I are the only ones here. That guy, he must be out fishing or doing something because he hasn't been here since we've been here. We're just going to continue to enjoy this day and see what we can come up with. Well, I think that's pretty much going to be a wrap for today. I didn't do a lot of videoing today. I did 2 different lives, so hopefully you had a chance to join us on one of my lives with Goldie and I as we watch the sunset. Or did I do 1 live and 1 was yesterday? No, I only did 1 today. But I'll show you. We're still in the same spot where we're going to be camping out tonight. In this beautiful spot that's free. If you know me, if it's free, it's for me. Got the car running a little bit. Gonna charge the battery because it's been sitting here all day and I haven't had any of the solar panels out, so I wanted to get a good charge on the batteries before we call it a day and make dinner tonight, right, Goldie? We still gotta make dinner, don't we, honey? Yeah. All right, everyone, hopefully you have a beautiful day or a beautiful evening. Goldie and I will be back again tomorrow and see what we are up to, what we can find tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.